Not right now. Yeah, seriously, I guess treats are holidays.
Oh, heck no. Which one of y'all dirty people love me for my food?
I don't think. Get out.
Okay. What is you, white person?
Hey,
Steal my solo cookies.
you want to one of those?
I went to the store and bought them, and there's only like 15.
Hey, things are sounding really good. This isn't a good time.
Bye.
Trash. It's not a good time.
Yes.
Oh, I like the hand.
Unhelp.
Why did she throw it in the trash?
You know what? I just want to know. You can just guess it. See what you
I
know.
don't know what this is.
Yes, Marcella.
Miss Slava, how many sides does a dice have? Oh,
Dawson likes to gamble. He wants to bet all of his money on.
I do. How you know that? I like to gamble. Every time my big brother come over, we always play dice and I always rob him for his money. Then when I go to sleep, he always take the money back and go spend it.
The one doesn't make sense like that.
Okay, just guess.
Well, how am I supposed to guess?
I just want to see what you know. So if you don't know it, I don't know.
I didn't put fractions. I put
My hope is.
Isn't that dice? Well, gamble. I don't know nothing about gambling.
My hope is that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do this. So I'm seeing if you already know it. If you don't, awesome for me if you don't. That means I get to. A couple more minutes on the pretest. Just guess.
I'm done. What do we do with the penny?
This is also
Oh,
playing
fair.
Oh, so hard.
Just guess.
Keep trying.
I'm done.
No, not yet.
What is a penny? I
Candy, did you get your
Paper bag
bottle?
full of candy.
Did you get your bottle?
Breaks it.
I'm 13 minutes.
For
And
I
13
know how
minutes.
what is that? It's a half for half.
Before 3 o'clock will be gone.
Unless it's a forgery of the coin.
That doesn't help me none. I still have all my class with you.
Couple more minutes.
Oh yeah. Ha ha ha.
Oh.
Lucky my mom. What time is it?
Look at the clock.
Yep.
Okay, count by 5.
Thank
Pass
you.
it to 12.
I didn't even look at the clock.
Jonathan, can I take your pretest from you?
Yeah. I'm done, okay? I'm done.
I don't
You're done?
I'm waiting
I'm-
for it.
Oh, you're almost done. Okay.
So if it happens, then we're just going to Miss Slava, so we have to win, right?
Yeah,
Julie,
we'll figure it
you're
out.
doing it.
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
I just have to thank you for
Wait a minute.
I won't be back after Christmas break. 21st.
Can you come visit us?
I'll try.
Don't talk about it.
Don't talk about it.
Friday the
Thank you,
13th.
sir. Logan, how are you doing?
No, I know. Pictures.
You better come visit us.
I'll email Miss Walsh and she can show you.
Still have
Oh,
notes.
that's
She
you.
won't even care.
I want to miss you guys a lot.
I'll have like a whole crop of kids.
Oh, you're gonna be a teacher.
She's
Like a
doing
teacher,
teaching.
like a big teacher, like the whole class.
Yeah, soon.
Kindergarten, bitch.
Like next
I
year.
like middle school or high school.
High
I'm
school.
gonna do half my student teaching in New Zealand.
Whoa.
What? Cool.
You in
New Zealand?
So you're moving from Minnesota to New Zealand.
Not right away. I'm going to Northeast Minneapolis first.
It's so bad over there. Yeah, freaking.
I'm going to come
What if we go to Olga's
Yeah.
What if we go to Olga's old school?
What if
No, don't go there. They will cuss you out.
I'm gonna ask all about you. Dawson, you said you're a gambling man. Heads or tails? Tails. Logan, heads or tails?
And
Jonathan,
Who's that?
Tails.
Heads.
Tails.
Heads.
Ah!
Can I go?
Olga, heads or tails?
Tails.
How do you guys know what to guess? Wait, don't yell at me. Someone raise their hand. How do you know what to cross them?
What you say?
How do you know what to guess?
Because the way you flip it, I count how many times you flip.
No. I counted by this. There's the.
Logan was raising his hand then. You guys just kind of guess, Marcella?
When you put it on your hand, I see how you flip it. Like that.
So you guys think there's. Katie, did you have a.
Well, there's not really right or wrong answer. It's really, what do you call it? It's a 50-50 call.
Oh.
But at first, I thought it was 40 just heads. So I knew it's not.
There's a 50-50% chance because there's one head and one tail.
Interesting.
That's why I put 50-50. 50-50.
Alright, guys, that's what I'm going to teach you today. Do you know that's actually called probability? When you think you're going to do something?
Meaning
Well,
most likely.
probability is the likelihood that an event will occur. So we're going to look at experimental probability versus theoretical. Theoretical is just a big fancy word for what you think is going to happen.
Exactly what you pull.
Don't embarrass me.
Hey, isn't a theoretical?
That was this?
Yes.
My bad.
That was you.
He's like this.
Yes, Marcelo?
A theoretical is can this be a theoretical thought that people say that the end of the world is 2012? That's a
The
theoretical.
21st.
That could be a theory that someone has because they're making a prediction of something. Dawson, please.
The world's supposed to end on the 21st of December.
Dawson, there's paper towels right there.
That was an accident.
Do you want me to
Marcelo.
hold on to that?
The world's supposed to end December 21st.
No, it's not.
Dang, Dawson.
Guys, pass this stuff. No, wait, no,
December.
No, not too much, right?
It's past December 20th.
No, it's not. December 6th to 7th.
You said first.
I said December 21st.
Marcelo.
Clean your
This is doing
ears.
So great. Jonathan is. Katie is. And now Olga is. Logan is. And Dawson is too. After you clean up this. Okay, you guys, we're going to find the actual experimental, real life probability of flipping a penny.
Oh, this
Do you? Well, okay, we'll get there. I'm going to pass these out, these data sheets.
What is it?
It's a data sheet. Data collection. Nope, wrong one. My bad. I should look at things before I pass them out, huh?
Yes.
Probably.
Yes.
Thank
You can write that on. Probably. Jonathan, you can write that down on your critique afterwards, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to have you guys
Yep.
flip a coin. I've got them in my hand right here.
Oh, I'm last. I see.
You are, because you're all the way back there, and I'm really tired today.
Might do it better if you first or last.
Perfect.
Hey Sharon, it's Eileen. Sorry it took me so long. I was just waiting.
I'm gonna have you guys flip a real coin 10 times.
What?
I know, it's so much, right? I'm going to have you record. I'm going to explain first, then I'll give you the pennies. I'm going to have you make a tally for each time, okay? So, for the first 10 times, you're going to flip it, and you're going to see, oh, I got a heads. You'll put a tally next to the heads. You guys see that?
I don't get the number in the fraction thing.
I'll get to that in 1 second.
It's easy. Shut up, Dawson. Like you put how many times out of 10?
Yep.
That's it.
I'm going to explain it to everyone else who it might be a little bit confusing too. Is that all right? Okay. So you'll tally the number of heads you get, you'll tally the number of tails you get. Then you'll count them up and you'll put that number over 10. Then we're going to do 10 more and 10 more, but we're going to stop after the first 10 and compare our results, okay?
Okay.
First, before I even give you guys the pennies, make a prediction. See that part prediction up at the top left?
Yep.
How many heads, if you flip it 10 times, how many heads do you think you're going to get? And how many tails do you think you're going to get?
I put 5.
You can put 5. You can put anything you want. This is a prediction. This is our theoretical.
6.
I'll come over and explain a little bit. Do we all know what to do?
Yeah.
Start flipping. And
Start flipping.
Wait
She
a
just
minute.
puts it on their desk. Start flipping.
do I need to go over
No. No.
how we flip a coin?
No.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Here, can I pass it on so I can go faster?
Yep, just hang on 1 second. This
No,
is all
just hang
this is
on.
all I want you guys to do, okay, Dawson?
Yeah.
So let's do that then.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Are we throwing them at each other?
No.
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 I will put it right back in my pocket if you guys start throwing my check. Okay. Are we eating them?
No.
Or throwing them on the floor? Are we doing anything but just flipping them?
Are we, did you
Yes.
say are we eating them?
I don't know.
We're putting it in Miss Marsha's food.
Oh, bummer. Ah.
Well, you lost your privilege to hand them out.
No, I'm sorry.
Ah, you can see. Oh, that's very nice. And here's yours, ma'am. Way to redeem yourself. Alright, go ahead, start flipping. Remember, flip 10 times and record your data. I'll do 2.
Okay, you said you were gonna come over here.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Ah. Oh, tails.
Hopefully we don't sound like the zoo over here.
You don't. You guys sound pretty good.
Ah.
So flip it.
Ugh.
When it lands,
Heads.
tails. Tally right there. Do that 10 times.
Oh, so we're doing the 3 different times.
Yep, so just focus on this first part.
How many times are we supposed to throw it?
10 times total.
I have a runaway place somewhere. I know I did that too.
Here, take this one.
My penny runs away.
That's right.
Fine.
Can you hear the ringing of my pen?
Oh, yeah.
I'm watching.
It went down my sleeve! It's cold. I don't know.
Maybe still your armpit.
It went down my sleeve. I can't find my penny.
Here, I've got it.
He's just trying to steal it.
Good eye.
Hey! My prediction was
Holy.
right.
Good morning,
No,
guys.
it's wash. She's like, I feel something cold.
Hang on.
My
right.
prediction was 6.
As you guys get up to 10, I'm going to ask you for your results. So I'm going to need you to be quiet so I can hear everyone. So Dawson, you finished. How many heads did you get?
6.
I have
I
two.
can't find it. It's in my shirt.
Nice. What was that your prediction?
Yeah.
Nice. So your theoretical probability matched your experimental probability. Who else has flipped 10 times? Jonathan, how many heads did you
I
get?
got 2
2 heads?
and 2 tails.
Oh, you already flipped it 4 times.
No, I did not.
Flip it 6 more times. Marcelo, how many did you get?
No, it's over
7 heads.
3. My last tip of the day.
You're torturing me.
I'm torturing you.
Hey, can I show a trick to figure this out?
At the end. I promise.
Tails.
I figured out how
Cut
to
it out.
shoot one hit on.
Cut what out? So I didn't do nothing that you usually do.
Come on, go. Stop, keep going.
Yeah, Dawson, you can keep flipping. Move on to your next 10.
I can't flip and catch it.
It's okay. Flip how you can.
Oh, my prediction was right.
How many did you get, Katie?
5 out of 5.
What is
5
that?
out of 10. 5?
5 heads?
I finally caught it. Yeah, boy.
I got mine.
Marcella, what do you have?
I got 5.
Wow.
Heads.
So we have Logan and Olga.
Oh. Who drew on my toilet paper thing?
I'm sorry.
How'd you
After
do
10 wasn't time.
It was for science. She told me to bring it.
Yep.
Yeah, I
What
drew
was
on
it?
a lot
Yeah.
for
What'd
science.
you guess?
What?
I got 5 out of 5.
She said it's
5 each? Alright.
How'd you drown it if you
She
were
drew
on
it. Extra.
Oh,
Sorry,
accident.
it's okay.
4, 5. Olga,
Olga.
Huh?
how many tosses?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops.
How you get 5-5 again? Marcelo, you
Okay.
did
My prediction was wrong.
That's okay. What did you get?
I got 7 tails and 3 heads.
Okay.
How did Marcelo get 5-5 for the second one?
There were 3 of them that got 5 and 5.
Oh,
Jonathan, how are you doing?
look,
5-5.
look,
You got 5 and 5 too?
look, time out, Mrs. Marcelo is the 17th, then this is me, this is Marcelo. Then the next one is 20. How do we get 5-5?
Logan, can you pass me my phone?
Oh, I'll explain in a
That's
second.
why they
So you did it wrong.
Was that your 21?
No,
he
neither.
didn't. He's just
I
a little bit
controlled my thing, dude. I really got up on him.
Okay, so now that we've done our 10, if you guys could have a seat again,
Oh,
and
come
we'll
on.
compare.
So what did you do?
Just hang on, I'll get there. Just stop.
You're a good teacher.
I'm a cool teacher.
I said cool for a second.
Oh, no, he said cool. He didn't say cool. You didn't mean to say cruel, did you? I'm not mean at that. Alright. So, our theoretical probability, Dawson, if you could just hang on for 1 second so I can explain this part of it, and then you can keep going, okay?
Dawson,
Can I do one more?
One more and then hold it.
that's good, that's good.
Alright. Our theoretical probability, right, is if we have an equal chance of getting it, getting heads should be 5 out of 10, and getting tails should be 5 out of 10, right?
Yeah.
Is that exactly what happened in our experimental?
No,
Yes.
2 times, bro.
It didn't happen 2 times. Right on.
10 times.
20 times.
Whoa, I'm getting confused. Let me rephrase that. 2 people's experiment was the same as our theoretical, right? Okay. But these aren't all exactly the same. Does someone have a calculator on them?
Where's
That's
where
loaded.
did Antoine put them?
There's one right here.
There.
Nope, that's the cup.
Here you go. This is mine.
Great.
Oh, that,
It
that's
says right in the
And
that's
who's good at finding the average of something?
Me.
me.
Katie, can you find the average of our heads? Dustin?
Hurry up,
Wait,
Paige.
0.5.
I must wash.
The average. So add them all up, divide by 5.
He doesn't. 2. I figured out a trick to get it. If you always want tails, you can do it. If you always want heads, you can do it. So first time I have to.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go 6,
Oh, that one I see.
7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 equals divided by 5.
Sorry, I'm just running away.
It's my electricity burning.
That was not for yo-yo.
Oh, not one.
Boy.
Alright. So guys, we actually got really close to our theoretical probability in our experimental.
For experimental.
We got 5.2 out of 10. Katie?
Whatever it was back to the 3 5s. Whoa, that.
Ooh. What a great transition into what we're going to do next. I want you guys to play 10 more times and record your data.
Wow!
20 more times?
10 more.
No!
Ow.
At the end, I promise.
Ah!
10 more.
Just watch the behind.
Who's getting the medal yellow so far?
I could have you guys just do math sheets of like multiplication and stuff.
Yes!
Division, that's what we usually do.
Just watch the.
Dawson, do you already have your 2 more?
Yeah.
Alright, what'd you get?
7.
7.
Oh, I got.
He said mellow yellow because he.
Whoa! You got 3 7.
You got 3 7.
I got 8 to 2.
Marcella, what did you get for the next? Oh, you did 5. Oh, you did 5 and 5
Tails.
And Olga?
I just started.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I started 11. After this, can we do a science experiment? Like, if we go over 11, so we all line up like this.
Okay. I'm done.
Alright, Olga, what'd you get?
I got
Heads, I got 4.
Huh?
Heads, I got 4.
4 heads.
4 heads. 4 heads. Tails, I got 6.
Alright. So again, do we have exactly what our theoretical probability
No,
is?
I have
What? We were supposed to flip them 10, 20 times?
5 heads.
We were supposed to flip them 20 times?
That was if we had time. I'm not gonna have you do it though.
all 10?
I have 6 tails and 5 heads.
Okay. So guys, what I want you to know,
You were hungry in the sauce.
what I want you to know is the difference between theoretical and experimental. Theoretical is what we predict. Hang on. Experimental is what actually happened. Also, what I want you to know, when we flip the first 10 times, usually when we do this, the average, we got 5.2. Oh, but can you hang on?
Yeah.
The average was 5.2 and we only did 10 times. 10 times was our sample size. 6 people was our sample size. We did this experiment 6 times.
Which means we put the head 6.
As you increase your sample size, the number of times that you do it, it's going to get, the average is going to get closer and closer and closer to your theoretical probability. Yes, Katie?
Like after you finish talking, we added them all, but just the 5 fives.
Just 5 fives? You can go and do that right now.
Can I show that to
I've got one. See, I've got a worksheet.
So
Got an
all
exit
fives
ticket and 1 minute.
divided by
No time.
2, that's it.
Exit ticket.
Jonathan?
I'm gonna do 5
Who got a calculator?
rapidity of 6.
What was that?
Hey, give me that calculator. What?
Alright, you guys. So the point of that was if you increase the sample size, your average will get closer to your theoretical probability.
16. It's 16. So the 5.
I don't know if that totally worked, but I'm going to have you guys practice for a little bit on one of these worksheets
What?
with a partner.
Oh,
I get over.
I'm not going
I get over.
I'm not flavor.
And I get Jonathan. No.
Did you want to be with one? I want to go.
She gotta be, because it's even. So she get Jonathan.
Yeah, I'm going to go.
Katie, can you?
Or I'll work with Jonathan. Katie will work with me. Okay. Wanna work with me, Jonathan?
Yeah, man. I'm
Katie, do you
gonna
want to work with a partner or do you want to work with a partner?
I'll work with Katie.
I'll work with. I'll work with
You just won the lottery and you acted like you won the consolation prize.
Me?
Yeah.
How?
You go, I'll work with Logan. I'd be trying to work with Logan first.
Alright guys, I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to do this.
What do you mean you won the
This
lottery?
one is a little more advanced.
I'll be go over there knocking them off for all the money.
This is the one everyone else is working on.
They do both.
Olga, you can
So
work
they
with me.
You want to work
You want to work by yourself?
It's 6.
Well, she wants to work by herself.
I'm doing awesome.
What is the probability that Sally will roll a 6? 1 out of 6.
So when this minute hand is on the 10, we'll do our little exit
I'll
ticket.
roll it upside down. Bob wants to
Dawson, can I help you?
on his die. What is the probability
On
that
his
he will roll
die?
a number? Yeah, it's a
Can
die
you
right
get
now.
the yellow from?
I will work on it.
And they're
Can you get started on it?
I am fire.
Alright, keep going. Those are yours.
Carly's playing with the 12 side.
Got
die.
it. Thank you, sir.
My ass good, Dawson.
I got the trick question.
Read out loud, I can't hear you. Carly is playing with the
I'm here if you have questions.
12-sided die. What is the probability that she will roll an 8?
50-50. She. Who 50-50, Jonathan, for president? 50%.
Do you want some help?
What does it mean by the what about the yellow number? Instead.
Reread the question. I'll be right there. Which one do you want?
1/2. 1/2 right here.
I know.
1/2.
So if you have a 6-sided die, and you had 3 out of 6, what if you have a 12-sided die? 3.
I need some help over 3.
Oh, yeah, I know. So she's playing with a 12-sided die. So if you roll a dice, there's 12 different numbers you can land on, right? That's your,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, we finished.
So
Oh,
what's the probability that you roll an 8?
I need help.
Alright, I'll be right there.
We're done already. Dawson, your name.
what is it?
Challenge yourself, Will.
I can't get the bottom one, please. That looks ugly, fam.
And if you write it in a fraction, oh nope. Okay. So we're playing
Hold on.
I'm
And
gonna
you
just
roll.
guess.
a dice. How many different outcomes are there possible?
On this one?
If you have a 6-sided die, how many different numbers can you get?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Dice are you playing?
6.
6.
Can I 6?
I would
So hang on.
Oh! What do you mean, hang on? 6. 6 out of 5. 6 out of 1.
Do you want to chill out and I can tell you?
Yeah.
Okay. So she wants to roll a 6. Okay? There's only one 6 on the dice, right?
Mhm.
So there's only one chance to get it. So 1 out of 6.
I had it first. Okay, this
Good.
one. This one's a 6.
Ah, he wants to roll an even number on the side.
Can't you see the 6?
2, 4, 6. There's 3 of them.
Sorry, right?
Out of.
Once you're done.
Yeah,
Nice.
finish.
Harley is playing
Bye,
with
bye.
12-sided
Bye,
die.
bye. Bye, bye.
What is the
Bye, bye.
probability she wants to roll an 8?
See, I come up and you.
So if it was out of 6 before.
I'm done with it, Bob.
No, oh, wait. Sorry.
I'm done with it, Bob.
She wants to roll an 8.
Little computer.
Can you
I'm going to
write my review?
8 out of 12.
Give me a score and say why. Okay? It'll help me a lot.
Yeah, right? How did she do it? She can give it to her professor.
How many 8s are there if you have a
What?
die from
Right, how
1, 2,
lesson
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
What
9, 10,
did
11,
you
12.
like and what does she need to do
Where?
better?
Oh, this one.
Right out of these
What is the what is she will roll an odd number?
I need a paper then.
How many odd numbers are there going to be?
There's all.
1,
Ah,
3,
thank you.
5,
You're welcome.
7, 9, 11.
6. So 6 out of 12.
Mm-hmm. I think you are getting it. Yes, gentlemen. Oh my gosh, you were waiting so patiently. I'm so impressed.
What about a green gumball? How many green gumballs were there?
That's a trick question.
But it shows in the picture only 2.
Sorry, don't pay attention to that picture. I should have thought about that. That must have confused you more. Good for me to know. So Marcelo, there are 5 gumballs, 5 blue, 6 yellow,
Oh.
1 red.
I get this.
What's the probability of you getting a green one?
5, 6.
No, so
Are there?
1/2. A whole percent.
You need to redo some of your stuff. I'll come over there in a little bit.
I just
You know what I
guessed.
thought it was? Is that there was more than one, there was more than enough, and there wasn't enough. I had to minus all this.
Yeah.
So how many kids do I have? 3 kids. They are minus Mellow Mountain Dew.
Give me a score out of 10 and put your name and the date, and I'm gonna keep it. Dawson. Look. Dawson.
This stuff is hard.
It is.
Oh, it's not easy.
Kylie's playing with a 12-sided die. So before there were 6 sides, right? Now there's 12.
So there's just
If-
6 sides of it.
Well, if there's numbers 1 through 12 on a 12-sided die, how many 8s are there going to be?
What's the date?
The 7. 12,
Yep.
7.
Out of how many options? How many sides?
12.
Yep. Go on top.
is that right?
Since I know the song was what?
Here you go.
It's going to be out of 12. There are 12 total.
So 12.
Here you go.
You might have got it right.
Here you go.
Exactly. How you gonna be
Thank
mad at
you,
somebody because they
Jonathan.
got it right?
I said I'm mad at myself too.
So
Now,
12
Buddha.
total. Yes, you may. You did so well.
But look what time it is. You're only going to probably watch 1 or 2 videos at 6 because then it will be time for lunch, okay?
So, there's 12 gumballs total. 5 blue. Dawson. Thank you. 5 are blue, 6 are yellow, 1 is red.
I was gonna be a good friend.
What's the probability of drawing a red?
Awesome.
So 1 out of 12. Yep, you're totally right. Now what about blue?
I love Noel.
Perfect. Yes, Katie.
This is what about the other
Diet. I'm gonna start drinking Diet Mountain.
So I have to reread what I wrote.
This the dad, this the mom, this the
Kids.
What?
Oh, no, you're right.
What's this?
You drew a yellow,
What?
and then you took one out, so it's 5. Nope, you're right. Don't change it.
Yeah, I don't get it.
Not supposed to be. It's just
Oh.
like.
I'm done.
Six.
You're 11. You're totally on the right track.
I'm done.
You're done? Awesome. Actually, I'm having you do your exit ticket real quick. The same
How
one
was
that I
that
did first.
How was that last one trick question? There's no
ma'am.
green.
That's why.
So it's 0 out of 12.
0 out of 12. You get it. Oh my gosh.
I got that when I saw the first one.
Marcelo, can you do this again real quick? And then this is our last thing.
I just did it.
I know you did. I don't want you to do it again now to see if we learned anything. And then we'll be done.
You killing my kids.
Oh, sorry.
Those are his kids.
Oh, did you say your kids or your cans?
The kids.
Beat up
She is like killing. That's how many kids he can have. He can have 5 kids. He's being on his kids.
Oh, okay, you can do that real quick. And don't forget to put your name on it.
Leave this house.
John, can you put your name on it?
He's playing house.
Oh, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go home and play house. That's a game I never played in a long time.
Play with your little sister, Lulu.
Hang in there, guys.
I told you don't give me food.
All the money on. We just did this.
I know you did.
What I'm
Oh, I
telling
see
you
you
about, leave in my house. Get out. Move. Or you be next.
I did.
I did.
What's wrong?
That means not doing all this stuff.
I don't get this. Can you help us?
When they have one question, I'll release you guys to Miss Wall. She got one more.
How many sides are there, guys? How many of those numbers are even?
Did you read it?
2.
Miss Slava, can I show you my trick now?
As soon as
So he's got
Yes.
3 out of 6 chances.
You wanna know how I can get heads every time?
what?
You put it on the tail.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, hold, just hang on.
Here,
Hold on,
what is
stop.
it?
This one heads every time.
My throat. I have.
I tell you. Okay, ready? Move your tail.
Yes,
No, it's gonna be heads.
You acting like this gonna get crazy.
I know.
What do you mean? You think I'm not gonna enter it? Of course I am.
No.
Alright.
Miss Wolf,
That's cool.
you say that every time.
Yup.
I swear you say that like every
You know
time.
what's gonna suck for you this time that I actually do it and you didn't do it.
Bet some money.
No, man, I'm not betting that anybody do.
This is just so you know.
Bingo.
Thank you.
Alright,
Alright, Swash. I am done.
Guys,